Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm a cake designer and sugar flower addict. I've been making sugar flowers now for around 5 years, and I'd love to teach you how to make them look as realistic and cool as mine. Urban Flower Collective is a group of like-minded people who are all on a learning journey, learning how to make cool sugar flowers. I'm really passionate about sugar flowers, and I want to teach you that sugar flowers don't have to be basic, clunky buds. I want you to have beautiful, realistic blooms, and I'll take you step by step through the tutorials in real time. If you're new to flowers, don't worry, you don't need all the kit. I have a separate series called Flower in a Box where you get the cutters, the veiners and the templates needed to make these cool, modern blooms. When you subscribe to the tutorials, you'll get lifelong access. You can download them and watch them over and over again. You'll also get free access to a really friendly Facebook community, which is fun, full of tips from other members, and I'll be on there live answering questions every month. So this collective's great because it's fun, it's friendly, it's full of like-minded people on this great learning journey. And we'll teach each other things as well, how to arrange flowers on cakes and how to make them look really cool. By joining Urban Flower Collective, you're going to take your business up to the next level because you can offer your clients flowers that are out of bloom in any colour that they want. You're not reliant on fresh flowers. Great for keeping down those air miles as well. And that you're giving them something that they can keep forevermore. If they look after them properly, these flowers will last years after the event. My passion for sugar flowers really started when I didn't want to put fresh flowers in cakes. I really worry about bacteria in fresh flowers and pesticides in fresh flowers, and I worry about having them shipped in with air miles. I try and be as eco-friendly as possible, so that's when I decided I would try and replicate real flowers in sugar form. A lot of the time people don't even realise that they're not real flowers. Guests at weddings often are astounded when they find out that they're sugar flowers, and if you follow these tutorials you'll be able to do exactly the same. It's really easy peasy. So if you fancy having a go, why don't you click on the link below and join one of my free tutorials, and if you like it, join the collective. I'd love to see you there.